Okay, so today we are gonna have to move the cows because as you can see behind me in our bowl, they've already grazed this whole thing, which is fine. That's the plan. The other plan is we really want to expand this entire pasture. So what we're also gonna do, we're gonna cut in some goat fences at the top so we can start to widen it. But the first step I think is gonna milk, get the cows down, move the goats up, kind of like an elevator. I've got Dave with me again. He's got the blade attachment. We are gonna make this happen. All right, here we go. Okay, so right here, this is where the cows are. They're ready to move. Right here next to this, you can see that it's wild, but this is perfect. There's a lot of wild rose, what do they call it? There's a lot of wild roses out here and a lot of tall stuff that we can get the goats into. Problem is that it's pretty thick. So we're gonna try and figure out a spot that we can cut a paddock here and start working the goats this way to expand this pasture as it is. So I'm gonna milk and we're gonna start getting this cut in. We're installing a blade
with
no tools.
Yeah.
We're getting look with a machete. This is how real men change a trimmer blade.
Get her done.
That's what happens when you're at the top of the mountain and didn't bring the tools.
Don't want to go back down.
We don't want to go back down. We're already up here, ready to work.
Come on.
Yep.
Improvise, adapt, and overcome.
And you've done it.
We're done.
All right. Rather than untangle this fence, I'm going to show you the distance we want to cut in. Ideally, see how there's posts?
Yeah.
Would be 3 panels into that brush.
Okay.
If it's too far, just do 2.
Okay.
And then we'll work our way down this way. Actually, you could go to that corner if it's ideal.
And shoot straight up.
And shoot over.
Go up either 2 or 3 panels.
That way, and then we're going to come down this way. So milking at the top of this mountain can prove to be challenging just because the cow likes to move around in the stanchion a little bit. But I'm so glad we're gonna move them back down where it's a little more flat. Milking will be easier. It's so good to get them all the way up here though, because they're really gonna develop this all into the grass. And then at some point we'll have less hay to have to feed. So although it's more work to get them up the mountain, it's totally worth it. All right, so we're gonna work the cows through this wooded section behind me. We're gonna get them moved down here first, and then we're gonna move the goats back up to where Dave's cutting. So I'm gonna get a fence set here, move the cows, go from there. Okay, so the plan is for them to follow me down the hill, come right into this new paddock, and we'll bring the stanchion down after. Here we go. This tiny bucket of grain will be our ticket to success. These cows will follow me down this hill with this bucket. Once again, Dave saving me hours of work. He's got 2 paddocks cut already just in the time I milked.
Boom.
All right, so ready for the next step?
Yeah.
We're gonna move some cows.
Okay.
But as we come by it, if you want to flip it.
Okay, and you want me where?
Stay on this side.
Okay.
I'm gonna bring him down straight down the middle. You're not gonna make it that far, girl. Slow down, slow down. Hey, 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 come here. That's it. Good girl. That's right. Hey, that's it. Come here. Hey, that's it. Come here. Come here, girl.
Can you see it? Yeah. Look around, look around, look around. What do you see? Stop. Look around. Do you see ivy?
Nope.
Are you sure?
No.
Stop. It's right there on your right.
On the right?
I want you to see it so you know.
Where? I'm smashing this.
Good job.
Now, will the goats eat the poison ivy?
They love it. Like it's a treat. They go for it first.
Wow. So it doesn't affect them.
That's
awesome.
That and the blackberries.
You know?
Did you know what?
When dogs touch poison ivy nuts, what happens to them?
That's amazing.
to get them in a treat like this,
Yeah.
they will hopefully pollinate the end of Europe. Alright, ready? Come on. Hey, come on, let's go. Come on, baby. Yeah. There you go. Run for it, goat. Hey. Good girl. Hey, come on. Diana, get down. Come on. I know. I know. Come on.
I want that one of them. Stop. Stop. I want that one of them. I want to pet the toy.
You want to pet him?
I want that one pet.
Alright. Let's wait till we get all the way up to the top. You want to follow me up there? Or you want to pet him now? Here, give the goat some pets.
Oh, this
Yeah.
is big.
That's a girl.
Hi,
That's Ginger.
Ginger. Ginger.
That's Nutmeg.
Nutmeg.
That's Bambi. Alright, get down, man. Come on, goats. Hey, come on.
They're like, where are we going? Where are we going?
I don't know if they're leading me or I'm leading them.
They keep looking back to you like, how far are we going?
Come on, guys. I got a brand new spot for you. Come on. That's a wrap. We got the cows moved, we got the goats moved. Dave, the man here, his legacy will live on. He cut me about maybe 4 or 5 more paddocks. So these goats are gonna be not hungry for a long time.
They're gonna be digging it.
One big stick on you that you yes.
One, two. You fell. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.